Every time I do a home inspection, I think of DDID, describe, determine, implication, and direction. Describe, well, I describe the system or component that I inspect. For example, I'll describe the exterior wall covering material of this home, and it's made out of wood that's painted. That's described. The next D is determine. I will help my client by determining whether or not there's something wrong with the house that I inspect. For example, if I see major wood rot on a floor joist, that's a determination that I will make for my client. I will determine what is wrong with the component or the system. I will describe the defect, failure, or deficiency. Next, implication. So that's DDID. Describe, determine, and I is implication. What might happen if the defect is not fixed? I'll explain the implications of what might happen. For example, if the major wood rot on that joist is not repaired, can it get worse? Will it injure somebody? Or is it a safety concern? And lastly, direction, DDID. Describe, determine, implication, direction. I will provide my clients with direction and recommendations on what to do next based upon my observations that I made during the home inspection. What should be done, for example, to the rotten wood? Should it be repaired? Should it be further evaluated by a contractor? Should it be monitored for the next few days or weeks or months to see if it gets any worse? As a home inspector, I keep those things in mind. DDID. I will describe. I will make determinations. I will explain implications, and I'll provide direction with recommendations.